Hello, what's up, people? This is my first travel vlog. Guys, sharing you my trip to Azerbaijan. That is a very, very random trip. Sabi nila, to to make it happen, visualize your dreams, visualize your bucket list. Guys, I am due ako for my annual leave. So I know that I couldn't go back home. So I opted to a short trip. So yan makikita nyo is in Abu Dhabi Airport. So ang ginawa ko lang talaga is before my annual leave, nagsulat-sulat lang ako, guys. I don't know why I feel in love with Baku through watching the vlogs sa nakapunta doon, and then the rest I was added in a Facebook group. So wala lang, it was a random trip. But yung bonus nito is I met a wonderful lady, si Jam. Siya pala nagplano din mag-solo trip sa Baku. So, wala naman akong plano, anything. So, why not, give a try. So, sabi ko sa kanya, sige, sama mo ako. Then, to make the long story short, nabook niya ako. We click, guys. Hindi pa kami nagkakilala. As in like a random stranger, kung sabihin mo lang. But, it's always pay off, kasi kabayan kayong dalawa. So, here we are. It's Jam. Share ko sa inyo si Jam. Yung flight namin is via Abu Dhabi with Air. I think yung ticket ko nasa 700. Friday namin na book, and then lumipad kami ng Monday. So guys, I've heard na yung iba maaga silang nag-book like 3 months before. Nakakuha lang sila ng 300. And we are very, very excited. So, ayan si Jam. We are ready to fly. I think it's almost 3 hours flight. And here we are. This is Baku, Azerbaijan, yung dating ng airport nila. And then, as a Filipino, you have 6 months resident visa lang siya. Sa UAE, pag meron ka niyan, you will be granted as visa on arrival. So, sinundo kami ng tour guide namin, which is, share ko din yan sa inyo na nakita lang din sa Facebook. They are trustworthy naman. They pick, Mr. Farid, nag-pick up sa amin sa airport. And then, guys, wala kaming wala kaming naksiyahan na oras. Paglapag lang. Diretso na kami sa sa tour. So, this is the fire temple or something like that. Very historical siya. Sabi nga namin parang nag-field trip. So, it happens that day, sobrang daming estudyante. But guys, amazing. Like, alhamdulillah. I was very, very happy. Like, nagawa ko to. It's first time and almost 40 na. So, this is the travel, parang siya ang nag-inform doon sa history, kung ano mga yan. Maganda siya. I think this is very educational kasi andun maraming mga students, tourists of different nationalities. So yan ang medyo ang nakasabay namin is 2 Indians. And there's is the rock formation, something like that. Medyo mainit, guys, but very tolerable kasi nga city of winds sila. So sobrang mahangin. And dyan lang is all history, old, paano na yung mga, paano sila na-develop or the way of living, ganon. And then lahat ng cave na yan, parang cave. Actually, it's not a cave. It's a room. Lahat ng room na yan, you have to just listen their history. Yung iba may mga miniature, something to show that kind, yan ang way of living before. Yung friend ko, I already called Jam my friend kasi nag-click agad kami. So guys, pasaway siya. So, cutting classes kami. But we really enjoyed. I took a nap. Took pictures si Jam, and it's really good. Yung first ko palang lapag, like, oh my God, this country has so many things to offer. parang ma-attract ka sa mga buildings. Kasi medyo like very opposite sa Dubai. They are full of, yung mga old places nila, ni-restore ata. But this is just the first part. And you come with me, guys. Sobrang medyo mataas-taas na vlog to share how nice is Baku and Azerbaijan itself. So, mainit man yan, guys, pero carry. Oh my God, super carry. And yan, I think that's one of the Indian symbols, Hindu something. And then, picture. Ang saya lang, kasi you emerge into new culture, maano mo din yung the way of living daw nila noon. Yan, parang fire yan siya, guys. Kasi nag-boom daw ang Azerbaijan yung na-discover ang oil. Like that. And this is our second spot. They called it Yanardag. May fire din yan, guys. Maano sila parang sabi nga, land of fire. So yan, medyo kinuha namin lahat ng time. We did not know na kailangan pala namin dapat may pupuntahan pa din kami mud volcanoes. But somehow we just enjoyed, as in super wala. Guys, that time wala kaming tulog. Just imagine. Our flight is 7 a.m. We arrive in Abu Dhabi ng alauna. The rest is history. Tinulog or tapos nag-shower and everything. Yan, guys, fire siya. Fire, kalimutan ko anong name, something. So, yan lang talaga basically makikita mo dyan. And we have time to a bit rest, pero medyo mainit. And we went to Salam Alaikum restaurant. It is a local restaurant, Azerbaijan. Local restaurant nila. And then, very fresh yung salad. I opt for a lentil soup talaga. Una is soup. Yan, that is beef. And the rice, of course. Guys, super duper. I was really starving, yung parang gusto kong kumain ng tamang pagkain, ng masarap. Kasi nga, when we were in airport, McDonald's kami. Then, nagbitbit ako ng siopaw sa Chowking. And, super sarap ng food nila. Actually, the money there is manat. And then, it's times 2.16 sa, dirhams. So, that one is on the way to our next trip. But this one, I will show you around the city nung kami biyahe. And really, they were on the way to the third spot. Share ko muna sa inyo yan. You see, welcome to Gobostan. So, yan ang third stop namin, guys. Like, literally, nilabanan ko yung antok, pagod, everything. Kasi nga, from the lunchtime, parang nag-travel kami ng almost 1.5 hour. And, tawag nun, parang away from the city siya, but medyo mainit kasi that time, but minsan nawawala yung init. And my friend Jam, tulog na tulog siya. So I was in the front seat. I have somehow to, kausapin yung driver para naman hindi siya baka makatulog din siya, 'di ba? Boring kaming kausap. So this is the tourist guide or guide siya na doon mismo sa Gobostan. She shared us informations, the history. This is like, mostly siya mga hunters or basta siya mga stones and everything. Gobostan. That is our first day. Like almost 3, diba? 3 stops. Supposedly, dadaan pa daw kami sana ng mud volcanoes. But we're a bit late na. And guys, promise, wala ka paming tulog dyan. Like, this is, I think, almost 5 p.m. Pero you will be really amazed. Nawawala yung pagod mo. Tapos, maglolo yung energy mo. Again, may makikita kang maganda. Hi na naman. Like, this is really a country to visit. A must try. Hindi ko masasabi lang at least once in a lifetime kasi nga to sum up nito guys, marami pa akong maybe part 2 and part 3. Like, I really want to go back there. Ang ganda niya, ang ganda lang niya. But this one is really, you have to be, wag kang magpagod-pagod. Like, you know, you have to fight your tiredness and then dapat magaling ka din sa lakaran. This is a very, very big area. Each yung part na yan, there are histories. Meron talaga siyang like how many centuries. Yan, I think, ano daw yan, parang dyan sila magluto. Parang lahat ng mga structure doon may history. You can appreciate the basic, ganon. And then, how much it cost lang sa entrance? I think it cost 5 manat or 10 times 220 dirham, like that lang. O, diba, si Jam. Guys, para lang siyang hindi pagod. Pero nakatulog na yan siya. Ako, tiniis ko talaga yung biyahe. But it's very, very nice. Maganda na nga yan sa video, guys. But if you were there, ma-amaze ka talaga. Like where I am. Gubustan. So, it's very nice. Really. Ganun siya. That way, papunta yan. Pauwi na kami. Very, very nice. Some people siguro hindi nila ma-appreciate. But I really do appreciate today. Field trip. Literal. Ang daming history of the country. And of course, being a logistics guys. So medyo nagtingin-tingin ako sa paligid dyan. Yung mga trailer or ano pa bang mga nakikita mo on the way to connect sa work ko. Hindi pa rin nawawala pagiging logistics mo. But this is our first day. First day na ano pa to ha? First part pa to. Meron pa tayong night time. And see, we are already going inside the city. Papunta na kami sa hotel niyan, guys. Look at that. Oh my God. Look at the architecture. Super ganda. Like, Europe vibes. Paris vibes. Kasi, diba? Hindi pa naman ako nakapunta doon. Pero you're watching Netflix, diba? Nakita nyo? As in, relax lang yung mga tao. Like, guys, please be with me. I have so many pa to share with my Baku trip. Thank you so much. Thank you. Please check and enjoy my videos. So maybe you plan to go to Baku, I will give you baka may ma-share akong content that is near to the hotel. Thank you so much, guys. Thank you.